Hi everyone, Olivia Fleming here with Insider Travel Report, and today I'm joined by Carrie Cameron with Embrace the Journey Travel, and we're currently staying at the beautiful Zemi Beaches All-Inclusive in the Dominican Republic, and we are here for Pleasant Holidays Elite Experience event. Thank you for taking the time to talk with me, Carrie. Tell me a little bit about your role and your background as a travel advisor and working with Pleasant Holidays.
Yeah, so I've been a travel advisor since 2014, and I've been working with Pleasant Holidays since 2019. So I've got a good 6 or 7 years experience with them.
What has that experience been like for you?
It's incredible. Well, first I work for an agency who is just a huge support unit. We're just very much a team, and having a supplier like Pleasant Holidays just adds to that team environment. They're very much a part of our everyday booking.
In what ways are they a part of your everyday booking?
As far as just support, not just destination support, but like how to deal with our clients or what our clients are really looking for, or they can give us some of their resources of experience.
What type of clients are you typically booking through Pleasant Holidays?
So my clients are just a huge array of clients. I have couples that do honeymoons. I have or anniversaries or things like that. I have girls groups, guys groups, whether it's birthdays or bachelorette, or I do a lot of groups. So whether it's small like family groups and family reunions, or if it's larger groups that are just have a common interest together.
Do you have a preference on what type of groups you typically like to book?
I love dealing with multi-generational families. I enjoy that personally, but I also love bigger groups. I love all the different aspects of dealing with groups.
What has made you most successful as a travel advisor selling Pleasant Holidays products?
We have such an amazing support team. So from our regional sales manager to the destination specialist, one thing that's so amazing about Pleasant Holidays is they're well-traveled, and that helps us immensely with planning, for our clients.
In what ways does that help you plan for your clients?
Just their knowledge, from airport arrivals to hotel arrivals to what to expect, how things are going to flow, tips we can give our clients. It's all so important to the final piece, right? Which is their vacation.
How do you position Pleasant Holidays to your clients compared to booking direct?
So me personally as an advisor, I am a creature of habit. And when I get good service from someplace, I'm going to be loyal, and they're going to help me help them, So, and overall it gives our clients better service all the way around. If I'm comfortable with who I'm working with, then they're going to be comfortable with me.
So Carrie, do you have a favorite destination that you've booked through Pleasant Holidays in particular?
So I have several actually, and one reason why I'm such a, loyal Pleasant Holidays agent, but Alaska is huge for me. That is a very place that is very near and dear to my heart. I spend a lot of time there. The Caribbean is huge for Pleasant Holidays. They give us so many destinations with so many properties to choose from. And that overall lets us give our clients such a great portfolio to pick from.
Could you tell me a little bit more about this Alaska? Why is that such a big property that you're looking to?
I think Alaska has just become, there's been a little bit of an urgency, and especially after COVID, and people could not, travel, or they couldn't go the places that they wanted to. And more importantly, Alaska is one of those destinations that you don't have to have a passport. So it's, it's been on, Hawaii and Alaska are on a lot of people's bucket lists, and Hawaii is popular too, and Hawaii is the very beginning of Pleasant Holidays anyway, but Alaska is just, I think there's an urgency. People want to see it, they want to experience it, and I just talk so much about Alaska. I do at home, I do shows with clients to specialize, to showcase that destination. So, and I can bring in all aspects of it with Pleasant Holidays. I can do land, I can do cruise, I can do rail, I can do all kinds of, so it's actually amazing. It's like a one-stop shop.
Well, thank you, Carrie, for taking this time to talk with me about Pleasant Holidays. This is Olivia Fleming here with Insider Travel Report at Zemi Beaches.